22 versus microwave.
Oh yeah, that put a dent in it.
That put a... I said that went through it.
I don't think it went all the way through. Bring the camera.
No, leave it there for a minute. That went through.
I don't think it went through the back.
No, it went through.
Oh yeah, it went through. She's smoking now. Damn, I hit the big dead thing.
Oh, that bitch went through.
What hope does that damn thing have for anything else we're gonna shoot it?
Well, it's better than 10 and 4. What the fuck you think?
Alright, time for 9. Ready?
Hold on. Just... So, we have... Because I want this to be what it is. Yep, no. In through the front. Right through the fucking back.
Oh, I missed the plate.
Yes. The plate's on the fucking bottom of it.
On the bottom?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna have to aim really good for that one then. Am I just lighting it up at one shot?
One round. We're doing one round. Alright.
Put your ears on.
9. Do it with mine.
Huh?
Do it with mine.
I've never shot yours.
Yeah, that's the point. Do it with mine. Do it with the Hellcat.
Is it loaded?
It's loaded.
You don't have a safety either.
No.
I hit right above where I hit that down.
Alright, we can walk down there and see. Well, I didn't have much hope for it. Press the button so I can hold it. And she's smoky as a bitch. Daniel, you hit top
Yeah.
here. It went top.
Yeah, I hit right above the shot I had before. Your dot was sitting there bouncing all over the place.
Yeah, because you're shaking. You're shaking like a motherfucker. Alright, 12 gauge.
You shoot it or me?
I'll shoot it.
I'm not shaking that bad.
We're going to hit it with birdshot first, and then we'll hit it with buckshot. Alright.
Oh yeah, I'd say that I did it.
Alright, I'm going to walk. Guns on safety. I'm going to walk down there, pick it up. You don't have... Just could have left it on the stand. I just walked down there and pick it up. Oh, bitch, that's flipped it. Oh, this glass everywhere. Oh, bitch, this glass.
It didn't come to the back.
Oh, damn.
Oh wait, no, that wasn't the back. Where the fuck did you hit it?
I aimed dead center. I aimed dead center.
Yeah, but I don't see another hole.
Because it's pellets all over the front. There's pellets here.
Oh, you hit the keypad.
Can we open it still? Yes, we can.
Yeah, that didn't go through.
I wasn't expecting it. Alright, we can close it. We can close it.
Alright.
Alright, nope, we'll hit it with triple water buck, 3-inch magnums. Safety's off.
You hit the keypad.
We're gonna go with us. Huh?
That went through.
Oh, I figured that was gonna go through.
They could hit it in two spots. It hit there and there. And then it came out all around here.
Well, I expected buckshot to go through. Now open it. Can you open it?
Still opens.
Oh, we still got a plate, Daniel.
I know, we haven't hit that plate yet.
We can make it. We can change that.
What am I gonna throw it up as like a shoot target?
No, we just hit it right
You want me
yonder.
to hit that with none?
And then all you do is you hold this camera, this phone actually. Because if you don't know, all the footage is recorded off of a fucking phone. Just hold it.
Oh, you're gonna hit it with the shotgun?
No. You're just gonna hold it. Fucking Brian, go somewhere.
9 against plate. It didn't break. The hell's that thing made out of? There you go.
My sights have been bumped.
Alright, now we're just gonna fuck it up with 9.
Go for it. Alright, hold.
He doesn't want to go to a full clip anymore.
Don't go slow. Go fast as you can.
Alright.
Because she's dirty.
Yeah, she didn't come back. Hey girl.
Alright, I'm gonna finish what I got left in mine.
Alright, did you hit record?
Yeah. I pressed mag release on mine. The reason mine stopped because I fat fingered my mag release. Hey, I know mine's not fuck. I've never had a problem with my Hellcat.
Well, she hasn't been cleaned in a while. There it is. No, that's just tape.
The Hell Kitty. 2 liters. Where's the? What you do with this? All the 2 liter.
It should still be on top of the hill.
And Russian roulette or which one gets buckshot? 2 liter
The APR?
Mountain Dew bottles.
There's safeties off.
Find out, won't you?
Nope, safety was not on.
That won't buckshot. Oh, double O. Alright. Next one's in the tree. Is that buckshot or double O? That was buckshot.
That one looked a lot better. 22 versus couch cushion. That did nothing. This is what a shotgun